Welcome once again to Health Nut Kitchen. Today we are cooking up a very simple recipe, tangy lemon pepper chicken. This is so easy to make, you would want to make it again and again. So the first ingredient here is chicken. I'm using 2 chicken breasts. You can always use the one with the bones. Just make sure it's cut in smaller pieces and it'll have a longer cooking time if you are using the bones. This one's really quick because I'm using chicken breast. The first spice here is a little more than a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and about a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. So just 4 spices: coriander, black pepper, turmeric, and salt as per your taste. And then you can add some green chilies, a little more if you like it spicy, and then about 2 tablespoons of curd. This is fresh curd, and a couple of dry red chilies, some cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and few curry leaves. This will add another layer of flavor to your chicken. And then I'm also coarsely crushing here half a inch of ginger and couple of garlic cloves. Just coarsely crush it like that. I like using it fresh, so I crushed ginger garlic paste adds a lot more flavor to the recipe. So now we're going to marinate the chicken for at least 1 hour in all these spices. So we start with the coarsely crushed ginger garlic, followed by all the 4 spices we had. Actually those are just 3 spices, and then the salt. Nicely mix it up. Use your hands. I tried using the spoon, doesn't work, so use your hands so that it's evenly mixed. So let it rest for 1 hour at least, so you get the flavor in the chicken. And then is marinated. You can heat a pan on medium flame. On medium flame, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil. You can also use olive oil, and then add the curry leaves, the red chilies, and the mustard and cumin seeds. Just let it roast a few minutes, like 2 or 3 minutes, not more than that. You don't have to make it brown. So once you see the mustard seeds starting to splutter a little, then you can add the chicken in it, the marinated chicken. Now keep cooking it at a medium flame. Do not increase the flame, and then keep stirring it occasionally. Also add in the green chilies and continue to cook it for at least 6 to 8 minutes on a medium flame, stirring it occasionally. So now we are going to cover and cook for at least 3 to 4 minutes, not more than that. So you just cover it for 3 to 4 minutes so it gets a little more softer. And when you take the lid off, you see some water in there, so you can cook a little more. So total cooking time is not more than 12 to 15 minutes. And towards the very end, like just a couple of minutes before you turn off the heat, you can add in the curd. So nicely beat it so that there are no lumps. So keep that ready for towards the end of the cooking. And then before that, we're going to add a juice of half a lemon. So freshly squeeze half the lemon and keep that ready. And as soon as the chicken is almost cooked, towards the end, you're going to add the lemon. You're going to just add it towards the end. We don't have to cook much after you add the lemon because the chicken is already cooked now. And then after that, just before you turn off the heat, add the beaten curd and then stir it nicely and let it rest for a few minutes. You see the nice color. The yogurt gets nice color as you rest it for a few minutes. You don't have to cook it after you add the beaten curd. Now let it rest for a few minutes and then it's ready to serve. Before you serve, garnish with freshly chopped cilantro, that is coriander, and there you have it. Tangy lemony pepper chicken goes great with rice or roti.